So now we see the problems based on gas laws. Okay, see the first one. For a given mass of a gas at constant temperature, if the value V becomes 3 times, means value becomes 3 times means V becomes 3V. Then what is the pressure? Okay, now it is the relation between pressure and volume at constant temperature. So it indicates Boyle's law. So what is Boyle's law equation? So P1 by P2 is equal to, they're inversely proportional. That's why P1 by P2 equals V2 by V1. So what is V1? Initial pressure P. We need to find out the final pressure. What is V2? V2 becomes 3 times. Initial value is V. Just what is P2? Here V will get cancelled. Here P2 becomes P by 3. Means the P will becomes P by 3 means decreases 1 by 3. Okay. Just so direct గా మనం చెప్పొచ్చు. Just మనం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే సో వాల్యూమ్ కి ప్రెషర్ కి ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్. 3 టైమ్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యిందంటే ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్గా 3 టైమ్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. Okay, see the second one. So here a gas is allowed to expand again at constant temperature from a value 400 milliliter, means its starting value 400 milliliters. It is expanded to 1 liter. 1 liter means both should be in the same units. 1 liter means how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. So the final pressure, so the P2 is given 100 mm. So we need to find P1. It is also in mm కాబట్టి there is no change. So mm లో ఇచ్చిన mm లో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ సెపరేట్ గా చేంజ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So at constant temperature relation between pressure and volume, what is that? Boyle's law. That is P1 by P2 is equal to, so inversely proportional, therefore we can write P2 by V1. We need to find P1 kada. So P1 equal to, that is V2 P2 by V1. Substitute the values. V2 1000 milliliters, P2 100 mm, 400. Okay. And approximately we will get 250 mm. Okay, this is the initial pressure in terms of mm. Here the third one, at 0 degrees Celsius 1 gram of hydrogen is present in 11.2 liters. So find its pressure in atmosphere units. So here temperature is given how much? Here given in terms of degrees Celsius. So we need to convert so all problems in gas laws we need to do in terms of kelvins. But it's 0 degrees plus 273 is equal to 273 Kelvin. Next, what is the value of vessel? 11.2 liters. So we need to find out pressure. Okay, what is the relation between these three? Okay, we need to find out the pressure. The weight is given. Weight of hydrogen is given how much? 1 gram. So we know the molecule. What is the molecular weight of hydrogen? That is 2. So what is the relation in all these? Is equal to PV equal to N or T. So PV is equal to what is the expansion of this N? We can write weight by molecular weight into R into P. We need to find out pressure. Weight into R P by molecular weight into value. What is the weight in grams? 1 gram. What is R value? So here important, we know many number of R values. So which value we need to take means here it is a clue is given. The pressure you should calculate in atmosphere and value being given liters. Value is given in liters. Pressure is we need to find out in atmosphere. So atmosphere liter lo మనకి R value ఏంటిది? The R value in terms of atmosphere liters is 0.0821. Temperature is how much? 0 degrees means that is given capital figure. Molecular weight is how much? 2. What is the value? 11.2 liters. Very important. So by this calculation we will get approximate 22.4. By this also 22.4. We will get 1. So that is equal to the pressure in the vessel of the gas is 1 atmosphere. Okay. Okay. Write down the problems. Okay, see the fourth one. So it is given that at 27 degrees Celsius the pressure of a gas. So gas is unknown A. It's 12 atmosphere. Means what is the pressure? Just we are taking it as P1. That is 12 atmosphere. So what is the temperature given? 27 degrees Celsius means converted into Kelvin. That is 300 Kelvin. So what is the P2? Its pressure is changed to its temperature. We need to find out the pressure, final pressure. If its temperature is changed to minus 73 degrees Celsius, so convert it into Kelvin. So that becomes 200 Kelvin. So now there is no terms of value. So P1, T1, P2, T2. So what is the relation between PTs? This is called Gay-Lussac law. P proportional to T. That is P1 by P2 is equal to T1 by T2. We need to find out just P2. So what is P2 equal now? P1 T2 by T1. The cross multiplication. P2 equal P1 T2 by T1. Okay, what is P1? 12. What is T2? What is the T1? That is 300. So finally how much you will get? That is 8. So already we took the pressure in terms of atmosphere, so we will get in atmosphere only. Okay, then okay, see, so it is based on again ideal gas equation. So the pressure at which 1.5 mole, the number of mole directly given 1.5. The gas occupies a volume of how much? 16.8 liters. So what is the temperature? 273 degrees Celsius. So it is compulsory we need to change it into Kelvin. That is 546 Kelvin. Okay, so now we need to find the pressure. So again, so what will be the relation? All these PV is equal to nRT. We need to find out the pressure. nRT by V. Okay, so P is equal to N how many moles? 1.5. Or 0.0821. So here it is given in terms of liter. So now we can take 0.0821. You will get it atmosphere. Okay. Temperature 546. So what is the value? So on the above calculation we will get and here approximately we will get 4.00 something. So we can write directly 4 atmosphere. Important, the R value is important. Here R value which is that is 0.0821. So what are the units for 0.0821 value? So atmosphere, liter, per mole or per Kelvin. Per mole into per Kelvin. So Already it is in liters, we took it atmospheres. That's why we got the answer in atmospheres. The units of R in the problems are very important. Okay, see. So weight of ethane need to produce a pressure of 1520 mm. Here pressure is given in terms of 15 mms. When it is present in a 9 liter vessel at 20 degrees Celsius. I mean, what are the terms given? Temperature. What is the value? So what is the pressure? So mm. So we need to convert it into atmosphere. Then mm lo manam r value so very different value untadi kabatti. So then atmosphere lo convert chesukoni, that is a better one. So by 760. How it is means 760 mm is equal to 1 atmosphere. Here it is given 1520 mm is equal to how many atmospheres? 1520 by 760. Okay. Just let it, no need to calculation. Okay. So again we will substitute in that final equation. Then there is a cancellation will be there. And again we need to find out which one? Weight. Find the weight of ethane. What is the formula of ethane? E2C2H6. So weight ఇచ్చినట్టు మనం number of moles మనం expand చేయాలి. So molecular weight of ethane how much? Each carbon 12. That is 12 plus 12. Each hydrogen carries 1. That is 6. Means its molecular weight 30. మనం find out చేయాల్సింది how much? Sorry, which one? Weight find out చేయాలి. So the formula is PV is equal to nRT. So a formula తీసుకోవాలి, that is the very important thing here. So which values are given and what is the relation between them? So I am going to apply which formula. So that is a very important. Remaining easy one. So PV weight by molecular weight RT. Just weight find out here. We need to find the weight. So it becomes weight equal PV. What is the pressure? 1520 by 760. Volume 9 liters. Next. PV into, sorry, cross multiplication we will get molecular weight in the numerator we will get molecular weight. Okay. Molecular weight how much? 30. 760. What is our value? Just we are taking already converted pressure in atmosphere, so it should be in atmosphere and liters 0.0821. So temperature is how much? So cancelling. So on this calculation we will get 270, 52. Here approximately we will get 41,040 by. So and this calculation we will get 1828. So finally we will get approximately 22.5 grams of ethane. Okay. Same manaki in the states of matter, so the calculation part is very important. Okay, sometimes in terms of root, in terms of squares, in terms of lots dividing and multiplication will be there. So the calculations are very important. See here, 5 grams of helium at 27 degrees Celsius is subjected to a pressure. Its pressure is changed from 0.5 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere, means pressure is increased. Initial volume of the gas 10 decimeter cubes. Let's calculate the change in the volume of the gas. You can find out also change. Final volume kaadu, we need to find out the change. Okay. So enta increase and or enta decrease and matram find out cheyali. So it's a constant temperature. There is no need of weight, no need of temperature. Okay, just temperature undi, so grams undi kabatti PV is equal to not use cheyali. So atla kaadu ikkada. So మనం ఏం carry, what are the given values, what we need to calculate. So starting pressure is how much? 0.5 atmosphere. The final pressure is become 2 atms. What is the initial value? 10 decimeter cube. Decimeter cube nothing but liter. What is V2? There is no need of temperature and weight. So P1 P2 is there, V1 is there. We need to calculate V2. So now there is no need of this weight, no need of this temperature. Okay, temperature change and is T1 T2 తీసుకోవాలి కానీ there is no need of taking temperature because temperature is constant. Okay, so what is the relation? It's according to Boyle's law. Relation between pressure and volume, it indicates the Boyle's law. So inversely proportional, that's why we can write P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1. So we need to find out which one. V2 find out cheyali. So what is V2? P1 V1 by P2. What is P1? Okay, 2 atmospheres. Okay. Now what is the V2? Okay. Here finally we will get V2 equal to 2.5 decimeter cubes. V2 is equal to 2.5 decimeter cube. So is it the answer? It is not the answer. So this is only final value. V2 means we got a final value 2.5 decimeter cube. So in this problem it is asked that calculate the change in the value. Change means always final minus initial. Always change in the value if asked. This write V2 minus V1. 2.5 minus what is the initial one? Value. So V2 2.5. So what is the initial one? Initial given how much? So here change in the value V2 minus V1. Okay. But if you see the final value is 2.5 decimeter cube, but initial value is 10 decimeter cubes. So how much change? So higher value kabatti manam V1 minus V2 తీసుకుందాం. Higher minus lower తీసుకుందాం. Okay, lower minus higher తీసుకుందాం. We will get the negative. That indicates the decrease in the value. Okay, no problem by taking V2 minus V1 or V1 minus V2. Just to get the positive values, we are writing here. V1 10 decrease అయింది కాబట్టి V1 minus V2. That becomes, what is the change? Change is 7.5 decimeter cube. Change at this much value increased or decreased? Initially the highest one, at last it becomes just 2.5. So that is a 7.5 decimeter cube of value decreased. Okay, and how much decrease? Nothing but how much change is 7.5 decimeter cube is change. The gas occupies volume of 2.5 liter. So let's take the volume of a gas is how much? That is 2.5 liter. Right. So what is the initial pressure? 9 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So calculate the additional pressure. Means you need to calculate the extra pressure. So extra pressure find out challenge. First we need to find out the P2. So extra find out challenge we need to P2 minus P1 challenge. But whatever it is, first we need to find the P2. Then what is the V2? Its volume is decreased to 1.5 liter. Simple. Here volume 2.5 liter is there. We need to decrease its volume from 2.5 liter to 1.5 liter. So volume decrease we need to increase the pressure. Okay, because they are inversely proportional. So how much pressure is required extra? What is the extra pressure required to change its pressure to change its volume from 2.5 to 1.5 liter? So change in the pressure find out challenge. First we need to find out the P2, then higher minus lower find out change. So PV means at constant temperature. So Boyle's law. So what is that? P1 by P2 is equal, that is V2 by V1. P1 is 9 into 10 power 5. Find P2. What is the V2? 1.5. V1 that is 2.5. So what is the P2? P2 we will get so the point will get cancelled. So here approximately 15 minutes 5 reason 5 okay 45. And finally we will get P2 is equal to the calculation 15. Okay. So this is the final pressure. Starting with just 9 into 10 power 5. So volume decrease we need to increase the pressure. కాబట్టి highest pressure వస్తుంది. But here it is asked that additional pressure, only extra pressure find out చేయాలి. Additional pressure means so additional pressure P higher minus lower. Here it is P2 minus P1. 15 to 10 to the power 5. So both are in same units, no problem. 9 into 10 to the power 5. So what is the common factor? 10 to the power 5. 15 minus 9. So that is equal to finally we get 6 into 10 to the power 5. No change in the 10 powers. Okay. Newton per meter square. Okay. Just take the all problems in notes. Okay. See a gas present at 300 Kelvin and is compressed to reduce its volume half of its volume. Means it is compressed half of its volume. At what temperature will it get become double of its initial value? Okay, so just we are taking initial value is not given, just we are taking V. Okay, so initial value, sorry. Take the initial value V1 equal to okay, V liters. Okay, so what will be the final value? The final value means that it become double of its initial value. Double of its initial value. So what its initial value be? So double of its initial value means so at first it is reduced. So the gas is taken at 300 is compressed to reduce its value to half of its value. So what temperature will it become? Double of its initial value. Okay. So here important one. Here V2. So at first V2 is it become half of it. Just V by 2 leave. There is no importance of units. Okay. This is V by 2. So it is at so at what temperature will it become double of its initial value? So here V by 2 is obtained at what temperature? Just taking as it is at T2 temperature. Okay. So this is present at 300 Kelvin. Okay, exactly given information in the formula. So we know that V and T. So what is the relation? Charles law. So V proportional to T means V1 by V2 is equals directly proportional. We can write V1 by V2 is equal T1 by T2. Okay. So what is the? We need to find the T2. Okay. So here T2 is equal to how much? V2 T1 by V1. So therefore T2 is equal to what is the V2? So what is the V2? Final value is V by 2. V by 2. What is the T1? That is take it as T1. Okay, 300 Kelvin. So what is the V1? So all V2 V by 2 it is V. Okay, T2 finally will get that is 150 Kelvin. So the problem is see here the problem, there is some wrong in the problem. 300 Kelvin, that is T1, is compressed to reduce its value to half of its value. So at what temperature will it become double of its initial value? Okay. So just here problem is just we need to at what temperature only my problem. There is some wrong in the problem. Okay. There is just this much of problem. Present at 300 Kelvin, at value is V. So its value become half of its original value. At what temperature? That's it. We need to the temperature at which its value becomes its half of 1. So double of it, that is the next problem. So see the one, last one. So at what temperature in centigrade will the value of a gas at 0 degrees Celsius? So T1 is given 0 degrees Celsius, 273 Kelvin. So it is asked that find in centigrade. Find in centigrade. Even it is asked that find in centigrade. The formula is in capital T. So you must you must calculate in terms of Kelvin only. We need to find the final temperature. So what is the value? Keeping the present value of the gas, it will double itself. So let's take the value of initial value V. Just we need to find the, so its value is double. So 0 degrees Celsius the value V. So the final value must be become 2V. So what will be the temperature in centigrade? సో సెంటీగ్రేడ్లో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే ద ఫార్ములా ఇస్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ కెల్విన్ కాబట్టి సో కెల్విన్లోనే ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలి. V proportionality at constant temperature indicates the Charles law. V1 by Vt is equals to T1 by T2. Find the T2. The T2 becomes T1 V2 by V1. By V1. So what is the T1? What is the V2? What is the V1? V. So that becomes 546 Kelvin. Okay. So 546 Kelvin. It means what is the degree Celsius? And ఇక్కడ temperature మనం డబుల్ చేయాలి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో మనం చార్ల్స్ లా కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. సో వాల్యూమ్ డబుల్ అయింది. వాల్యూమ్ డబుల్ అయిందంటే V ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ కాబట్టి టెంపరేచర్ కూడా డబుల్ చేయాలి. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్క్డ్ దట్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్. రిలేషన్ Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 270. So degree Celsius కావాలంటే Kelvin minus 270. Kelvin how much here? 546 minus 270. That is 273 degree Celsius. Okay, tomorrow we see some more different problems based on gas laws and ideal gas equation. Take the all problem in notebook. It's a must and should.